Alright, so today we're replacing the AC compressor belt and pulley. So the only thing is we have to take the drive belt off first. So we're going to be removing, or we're loosening this pulley right here. And then there's a bolt underneath we have to get to, and that'll release tension. Then once we've released tension, we can take off the drive belt, and then we can get to our nice and corroded AC compressor belt.
Yeah, go ahead.
Alright, so here's the bolt we need to loosen. So loosening that will release the tension, and we'll be able to get the belt off. Alright, then once you've loosened that bolt, you'll be able to take off the main drive belt. Now we need to loosen this pulley. And then once that's loosened, we need to loosen the tensioner underneath this side, and then we should be able to get our bad belt off. All right, so the bolt for this side is right here. So we're gonna loosen that, then we'll be able to get the AC compressor belt off, and then we can take the pulley off, and then we're working with magic. All right, now to avoid having to take the drive belt off completely, I'm gonna see if I can slip this belt off without doing that. So now we're just gonna sneak this by the other one. So I think I'm just gonna cut this off and then we'll go from there. So here's our old belt versus our new belt. This one was dry rotted, had a piece of it come off. Much thicker, cleaner, no dry rot spots, so should be good to go. All right, now we're taking hardware and that one, bring it on here, and that's gonna go right there. All right, so we've got both belts on, new tensioner, tightened that down, raise them up. So just reverse order, do the pulley bolt on both. Then once it's up, tighten this bolt on both, and then feed the belt, the AC compressor belt on. I'll put the way you set it up on here. Then you do the drive belt, put it up again. Once both belts are on, just put everything back together, seal everything up, and you're good to go. So make sure you like and subscribe, comment. Let me know what mechanical things you want me to work on next. We've got some videos that are going to be coming. We're doing the knock sensor, or at least the harness. And then the air suspension is here. So in July, we're going to be putting those on. So look out for those videos. So like, subscribe, comment. Have a great one. Drive safe. Peace.